Good morning, Grandpa Joe. Little sketch out in a big hallway.
You got a big signal, but you sound off frequency to me. I'm not sure what's going on. 576 Mobile.
Good morning.
252, Charles 2020.
576, 576. That old mobile is rolling through Maine. You took a wrong turn at Albuquerque. 122 State of Maine, letting you know.
Hey, 122. Hey, 122 out there in Maine. Bird Dog 419 down here in the Lone Star waving the hand at you, buddy. Whoa, goodness gracious.
I heard you out there. Take 325 Cocoa Beach, Florida.
And 419, I acknowledge you, sir. You rolled on through. 122, coast of Maine.
Wyoming, Mobile, back out.
You sound like you're right in the backyard here in Texas, just waving that hand at you. Break.
I'm sure that Keystone driver is working. Got that Cocoa Beach fired up out there. Been a while since I heard Cocoa Beach in my radio. Twister 24/7, Cheyenne, Wyoming, back out.
How about it, 122, 207 Texas, looking.
Waving at you, 207 Texas. Sounding good, sir, up here in the corner.
Yeah, I think I was 325 down there around Cocoa Beach. I believe I was 3 1/4 down there around Cocoa Beach, Florida. Twister 24/7, and the Mobile, Cheyenne, Wyoming, back out.
God, main ditches like this commie ass.
Yeah, Roger. Yeah, it's 11:30 in the morning, but we're going to drive over there to Big Spring, Texas, and get some pizza in. They got the best pizza over here in the west side of the Big Horn. I'm in Odessa, Texas, mobile, but we're just trying to get
Carrying the wrong boat, signing off dead people and letting them illegals tell them what to do for sure. Definitely Trump 2021.
I think it was a 103. It got a little bit rough in there, but hey, we heard you roll on through. 122 State of Maine, bumping it back.
1025, top of the rock, Colorado, waving.
This Interstate 20 headed eastbound to Big Spring, 576, getting on.
Yeah, I heard someone come back to 667 out there. I heard someone come back to 667 out there. 40, a lot of big sticks over there. Go ahead and try it there one more time. Got myself a nice hot cup of coffee, a nice fresh hot cup of coffee. Enjoying these conditions. Sitting back in my chair. 1025, top of the rock, Colorado, standing by.
All you. It's still all you in Texas. It's all your talk show. 576, I-20 eastbound with the hammer down. Get on down.
Yeah, 10-4 on that. Yeah, we tried.
Oh, 576. You still got the hammer down. Like I said, you took the wrong turn. You showed up in the corner. Absolutely did. 122, coast of Maine. Just letting you know.
You got 6 days there, 122. You get a copy on this 1025.
Steve, you buried that needle in the corner. Take care.
In 1025, there you go. You rolled through at 1025, Colorado. 122 looking at you.
Check there, 122. I know it's been rough and tough. That Mother Nature's been dipping up and down. But you definitely one of the dominant radios again out here in Colorado. Take it easy. It's always a pleasure to hear you out there. And by the way, I was wondering, you a fisherman out there, 122?
Do I hear a fisherman? I do not hear a fisherman at the moment.
Yeah, 10-4. I didn't know if you were did a little bit of fishing out there off the coast. I hear they got them big halibut out there off the coast, or flounder as they call them out there on the east side.
Oh yeah, a lot of flounders out there. No, I haven't been out there in a while, but absolutely, there's an abundance of them up here in the corner.
Yeah, 10-4. That's on one of those things on my bucket list.
122 up
I'm gonna go up there and catch those 300.
122 off the coast of Maine. Got that needle slanged in the corner, no doubt about it. 2800 from the turn, bumping it down.
025 Colorado way.
350.
Well, 1025 Colorado, have yourself a good day. Absolutely a good day here, rolling on through. And 2800. 2800, I believe it's Texas. You just did that old crunch thing to my meter. Sounding good, sir. Absolutely got Mother Nature over you right now. 2800 Texas, 122 bumping it back.
Hey, 122, 2800, holding this Lone Star State in place. Mr. 2800, and I'm jumping off the key. Bye.
Have a good day. Have a good day. 2800, 122 back out. Bye-bye.
The state of Texas, Mr. Wiley Coyote.
Hola, Texas, California, escuchan Coahuila.
Well, we can take care of that. We can take care of that quiet thing if you'd like. A 122 coast of Maine.
Fat man, it's still you. Fat man, it's still you. Mockingbird down around San Antonio, reading the mail.
Well, Mockingbird sounding good. 122 Maine, and you know.
Hello, 122 in Maine. 122 in Maine, Mockingbird on 10 watts, down around San Antonio. Break.
Oh, God, S8. An S8 on the Richter scale right now for 10 watts. Sounding good, sir. I gotta tell you, absolutely got some real good Mother Nature.
122 Maine, take care out there. Appreciate you bumping it down to Texas. Hey, worldwide, 122 in Maine, take care. Mockingbird, San Antonio, copy in the mail.
That was 100% copy on those old 10 watts. Well-trained watts, I might add. You take care, Mockingbird. Been a pleasure. 122 coast of Maine back out.
Who are you talking to, man?
122 Maine, got the ball drop in Texas. 576,
Hey, 576, keep a few of those flowers. That old Mobile is nothing to scoff at. I gotta tell you, you're rolling through Maine in style. You got some big old stations out there. So hey, 576, welcome to Maine. Well, 576 sounds like Mother Nature is getting ready to do that old hat trick again. It's just been all over the place for me today, no doubt about it. I'm sure you'll be right back in there, but while you was talking, I just watched it change up a little bit, or maybe you got in a bad location. Hard telling, not knowing, but hey, 576 Texas, always good hearing you rolling through the ONEC on that. Got 122 on the coast, back out listening.
Mobile.
And there you go, you rolled right back in and we're back out.
In there, but it's rough and tough, man. Daniel's on Tucson trying to get it back.
445. How you doing, my CB friend? 388. He said that was more than a 400-watt key, because he shut his radio down. 2800. Break.